The Farmer and the Crow by Byron Kent. Illustrated by Hector Borlasca. Tricky Crow. The farmer won't share any of his seeds with the hungry crow family. Read to find out what the crow does. The Farmer and the Crow by Byron Kent. Illustrated by Hector Borlasca. Farmer. Crow. Little girl. One day, a farmer took a big, fat bag of seeds to market. "I will sell my seeds and make lots of money," he said. "Soon I will be rich." Then the farmer met a crow and her family. "Farmer," said the crow, "my children are hungry. Can you give us a few seeds to eat?" The farmer shook his head. He said, "No, Crow, I'm going to sell all these seeds and get rich. Now go away." "You are very greedy," said the crow. "You will wish you shared your seeds with us." But the farmer kept walking. "Soon I will be rich," he said with a grin. And he started to dream of all the things he would buy. The farmer walked and walked. The day got hotter and hotter, and the bag felt heavier and heavier. So the farmer put the bag of seeds on the ground. Then he took a nap. The crow tiptoed over to the bag of seeds, and she pecked little holes in the bottom of the bag, one by one by one. When the farmer woke up, he looked at his bag of seeds. It looked fine to him. So the farmer tossed the bag onto his back. Then he started walking down the road again. "Soon I will be rich," he said. And he started to dream again of all the things he would buy. The farmer didn't notice that seeds were falling out of his bag, one by one by one. The crow and her children hopped behind the farmer, and they ate the tasty seeds, one by one by one. Soon other birds began to eat the seeds too. Then chipmunks and squirrels joined the birds. By now, there was a long line of animals behind the farmer, and they were all eating seeds, one by one by one. But the farmer kept walking. He didn't notice that seeds were falling out of his bag. He was too busy dreaming of all the things he would buy. Finally, the farmer got to town. The people looked at him and smiled. "They know that I will soon be rich," the farmer said. Then a little girl called out, "Farmer, farmer, there's nothing in your bag." The farmer reached back and felt his bag. It was almost empty. Then he looked behind him. He couldn't believe what he saw. "Now, don't you wish you had shared some seeds with us?" asked the crow. Trickster Tales. The Farmer and the Crow is a trickster tale. A trickster tale is a story that tells how an animal tricked a person or another animal. Trickster tales are told in many places around the world.